Hi friends, introducing myself Parth Mehta as a Chairman and Managing Director of Paradigm Realty. We are a Mumbai-based real estate development company. You can call it a new age, new generation real estate company with a focus in pure Mumbai area. So today I would like to speak on behalf of the 6th anniversary of our company, and I would like to share few experiences and my thought and feeling behind what we have achieved and what we are doing and where we would like to be. We started this journey in the year 2015, in the month exactly August 2015, with a team of 4 people, with a bundle of dreams behind us and somewhere a lot of energy, zeal and enthusiasm as a young company trying to make a mark in the Mumbai's landscape of real estate development. As a new age generation, one thing which was very clear was a foundation of our enterprise, which was definitely on the pedigree of trying to create a strong reputation, build a strong team. It's been very interesting. We can't thank more to the Almighty of blessing us with such a wonderful team who's again equally aligned to the vision and the growth of the company.
I'm here to congratulate each and every one of Paradigm family for completing the 6 fabulous years. It's been a crazy journey in the past 6 years. We have finished off a lot of projects. It's a wild journey, and I'm just hoping that things go pretty good for the future to come.
It's like this company is like a family to me, and it's always been it's for me, it's like a Wall Street of real estate. There is always so much of enthusiasm, so much of fun, so much of you get ownership, you get accountability, and also you get a lot of lot of things to do basically here. It's not a usual 9 to 5 job that you're doing. It's a super work that this company is doing. It's spread across the entire length and breadth of Mumbai, and we strive to give the best products to the entire
As a HOD, I am working from since 3 years in this company. Including me, all HODs act like their own company. The company management give us ownership of our individual departments. A great outcome always come from us, and we are really enjoying our work.
First of all, congratulations to the whole Paradigm family for completing the 6 awesome and super fun years. These 6 years have been nothing less than exciting, and I've not completed more time here, but whatever time that I have spent here, a little less than a year I would say, have been the most exciting years of my career. I would say the most exciting months of my career. As an organization, this is an organization which I feel is ever evolving. It's changing every minute, I would say. We're taking different calls in terms of technology, in terms of sales. We're trying to up ourselves than what we were the previous day.
The best part of this group, that company knows, Paradigm family knows how to value their clients, customers, vendors, their marketing partners, their channel partners, plus they knows how to value their employees.
For employee, Paradigm have given opportunity to learn, opportunity to grow up. Company have given freedom, space to learn, because company focus on solution. That's why company has grown from scratch to now is a very good company. I have seen the growth of the company, simultaneously growth of myself. So company has grown leaps and bounds. Initially when I joined, company has only 3 projects. Now company has a 10 plus project. So company has grown in all the function areas.
I have started my career with Paradigm Realty since 5 years ago, and the company is growing day by day, and we are also growing day by day. And starting, we had 3 projects in our company. After that, currently we have 10 plus projects ongoing.
If you see the progress of this company in last 6 years, now company is completing 6 years, and then last 6 years company has progressed a lot, which you can say another company can progress in something around 15 or 20 years.
So the journey has been a wonderful journey. It was a roller coaster ride, but with lot of exposure and lot of challenges, where our management has always supported us. So thank you टीम पैराडाइम फॉर योर कंटिन्यूअस सपोर्ट।
सो जिस स्पीड से पैराडाइम ने इतना सक्सेस अचीव किया है 6 साल में, I am sure the Paradigm Realty will be the best developer in the Mumbai suburbs.
डे बाय डे कंपनी के पास इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आ गए कि मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा था कि मतलब इतने जल्दी इतना ग्रो होगा कंपनी का। तो मार्केट में इतने अच्छे मतलब रिव्यू है कंपनी के मार्केट में। कंपनी का जो मेन बेस है वो है मार्केटिंग और सेल्स। अब मार्केटिंग और सेल्स में तो कंपनी एकदम बूम है और आई थिंक नेक्स्ट 4-5 ईयर्स में कंपनी का लेवल काफ़ी हाई होगा।
मेरे को ये कंपनी में 5.5 साल हो गया। यहाँ का मैनेजमेंट, बॉस, कंपनी, बहुत सारे लोग अच्छे हैं। हम लोग के लिए कुछ भी तकलीफ होता है, कुछ भी सपोर्टिंग रहता है तो कुछ भी हम लोग को सपोर्टिंग करते हैं। मैं आशा करता हूँ कि पैराडाइम रियल्टी और भी आगे बढ़े।
I started with this company when it could be called a startup with a handful of employees and very limited resources, and have proudly been a part of this company when it could be called one of the leading developing companies of Mumbai with dream jobs and dream homes.